On April 14th, I did an episode on Seville oranges. I mentioned that I was going to make an Arizona pie. So if you want to see what I can do with these Seville oranges, and if you want to see if Alan can make a pie, then this episode's for you, so stay tuned. If you're going to be in Phoenix tomorrow, stop by for some pie. Seriously. I mean, call first, but, and bring a gift, But I'm kidding. You don't have to bring a gift. Money's good, though. Bring some money. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Custom Garden Solutions. I'm Alan Schaefer. In today's exciting episode, I'm going to break some new ground. I'm going to do something totally unique that's never been done before on this channel. I am going to bring you into the kitchen and we're going to make a pie. On April 14th, I did an episode on Seville oranges. Can anybody guess what kind of oranges these are? Very good, they're Seville oranges. I won't go through the history of the decades-old Arizona pie recipe of my mother's. I won't go over how my sister and I used to run around like crazy people collecting these throughout Phoenix and the fun we had doing that. I'm just going to show you how to make the pie, the Arizona pie. So let's get started. So what are you going to need? First of all, you're going to need Seville oranges. Next, you're going to need graham cracker pie crusts. Now this is a extra large one. You don't need the extra large one. Regular size will do. You need condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now, my mother said to get the Eagle brand, so that's always what I've done. But you might be able to get by with some other brand. And you also will need some Cool Whip. Now this is just the Kroger brand whipped topping. I think these were $1, so this will work fine. You can get Cool Whip if you'd like. Then what you need to do is you need to put 3/4 of Seville oranges that I'm going to juice right here in the Cuisinart. All right. So you see how these look. They've got kind of, they look quite like an orange, but they've got these seeds that are fairly large. All right, nothing exciting. A little bit looser than an orange might be as far as their pulp. So, but other than that, they look kind of like an orange. So wash these off. I washed these off earlier, and now I'm just going to cut a bunch of them in half. I'm just going to juice them. Some are juicier than others. If you've got a Cuisinart or something that can juice them like this, it's really sweet. So I probably already have 3/4 of an ounce, but I'm just gonna keep going. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so I'm having trouble getting the Cuisinart container out, so we're just gonna pour it from the actual unit. Voila, huh? Got a little pulp, got a couple seeds. Get rid of those. All right, so I have 2 cups. I only need 3/4 of a cup per pie. I'm gonna make 2 pies, so I have a little bit extra. And let me show you how I make the Arizona pie. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is when you open up the pie crust, save this little plastic piece, you're gonna need that later. And the first thing I'm gonna do is put the Cool Whip, or the whip topping down. And then the second thing is the condensed milk. Just pour it on in. This is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. There's still quite a bit in there. Jeez. It's kind of sticky stuff. Okay. And then you want to add your 3/4 of a cup of the Seville oranges that have been squeezed. I've actually strained this. And you just want to gently kind of knead this in. You want to turn it in, actually, is what my mom actually said in the directions. Oop. Now we're going to have some of it on the counters. So you want to turn it in. You don't want to blend it. I know it looks kind of just want to turn it in. So if you I usually I kind of screwed up. I usually put the condensed milk in the Cool Whip in and get it started, and then I add the orange juice. But this will work fine. Like I said, you don't want to blend this in. You want to turn it like I'm turning it in. You just want to get under it. And then for the fancy touch, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Now this is a extra large pie crust, so it's a little lower than normal, which is fine. So I'm just going to smooth it out. And then I'm going to make a little swirl in the middle. There we go. Voila. So that's basically it. Now you want to take the piece of plastic, put it over the top. All right, the Arizona pie is about complete. All we need to do next is put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to let it sit overnight, and then it'll be ready to go tomorrow. Now, in a pinch, you could put this in the refrigerator for an hour or two, and it'd probably be fine. It's kind of loose and jello-y right now, but in the refrigerator, it'll solidify a little bit more and just have a better consistency. So let's put this in the fridge, and tomorrow I'll show you how it looks. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy in the refrigerator. So if you're in the Phoenix area tomorrow, come on by for some Arizona pie. I have more than enough. I'm going to be leaving in a couple days. I'm not going to get a chance to eat this. I actually have to make another one that I'm going to give to my neighbors. Yikes. I'm Alan Schaefer with Custom Garden Solutions. Our channel is all about helping you grow herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff so that you can live a healthier and happier life. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn all about growing herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff, then start today by subscribing. And so you don't miss anything, make sure you hit the notification bell, because you never know what I'm going to be talking about next. Like, who thought I would make a pie? You know, I'm not the pie making kind of guy, but I like Arizona pie, so I made some pie. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're going to be in Phoenix tomorrow, stop by for some pie. Seriously. I mean, call first, but, you know, and bring a gift, you know. But I'm kidding. You don't have to bring a gift. Money's good, though. Bring some money. Later, people. Kind of runny. gooey